In this video, I will talk about PHP 5 array functions, PHP Array Introduction. The array functions allow you to access and manipulate arrays. Simple and multi-dimensional arrays are supported in PHP installation. The array functions are part of the PHP core. There is no installation needed to use these functions. First function is array, creates an array. This function is used for creates an array change key case. By the help of this function we can change all keys in an array to lowercase or uppercase. Array chunk, this function is used for splits an array into chunks of arrays. Array column returns the values from a single column in the input array. Array underscore combine, this function will creates an array by using the elements from one keys array and one values array. Array count values, counts all the values of an array. Array difference, array underscore diff, compare arrays and returns the differences. Compare values only. Array diff associative, compare arrays and returns the differences. Compare keys and values. Array diff keys, compare arrays and returns the differences. Compare keys only. Array diff u associative, compare arrays and returns the differences. Compare keys and values using a user defined key comparison function. Array underscore diff develop underscore u key, compare arrays and returns the differences. Compare keys only using a user defined key comparison function. Array underscore fill fills an array with values. Array underscore fill underscore keys fills an array with values specifying keys. Array underscore filter filters the values of an array using a callback function. Array underscore flips exchanges all keys with their associated values in an array. Array underscore intersect, compare arrays and returns the matches. Compare values only. Array underscore intersect underscore associative, compare arrays and returns the matches. Compare keys and values. Array underscore intersect underscore keys, compare arrays and returns the matches. Compare keys only. Array underscore intersect underscore u associative, compare arrays and returns the matches. Compare keys and values using a user defined key comparison function.